Today is day 62. I just got to the park and I just put Effy in the basket. So far she's doing good. There's a drone here that she keeps hearing she's a little bit afraid of. It's also very windy, so hopefully it won't interfere with the video footage. But I'm going to give it my best shot. Hey girl, I believe in you. You can do this, okay? We are going to ride in the park and have a grand old time. You and your cat mom. So let's go. It's a beautiful day. People in the park. Beautiful weather. So let's see what we find. Let's go. Let's do this. Gonna see how long she'll ride. There's some kids on bikes over there. Ooh, it's windy. Cute. I love to see kids playing in the park. So wholesome. Kids don't get out as much as I did when I was a kid because of technology. So to go to a park and see families together, having picnics, enjoying each other with their kids, it's a lot of fun for me. I love to see that. Hey, Effy! Hey, Effy, you're doing fine, girl. I know it's windy, but isn't that fun feeling the wind in your hair? Yeah. Some walkers up there. We're gonna have to do our little bell to alert them. That's gonna be interesting. Oh good, they're going a different way, so I'm just gonna take a different path. That's right. Hey, Effy girl, you're doing fabulous. Let's see how long you ride before you try jumping out. Nope. Nope. Do not try that. Remember our park rules, Effy? You stay in the basket. That's right, in the basket. Good girl. Ooh, I hear that drone off in the distance. It's okay, Effy. You don't need to worry about it. Look at this gorgeous park. Look at this, people. We're going towards a lake now. Beautiful lake. You're gonna see duckies. You're gonna see all kind of cool stuff, Effy. There's a playground over there. Huge big building where people have weddings and receptions over there. I've yet to see someone riding their bike with their cat. I've seen people riding their bike with dogs in a basket, but never a cat. Hey, Effy. All right, there's a family coming up here now. Hopefully she won't get spooked. She did fabulous. Good job, Effy. Ooh, another family coming over there on bikes. I better stay in my lane. Yes. Hello.
Hello.
Don't you love it when people stay in their lane? Yes. It's nothing worse than people who don't mind their own business at work or anywhere you are, and they start telling you what you should do, getting in your lane when they should be worrying about their own lane. Oh yeah, we stay in our lane, right, Effy? Yeah. Oh, there's a party going on over there. Guy fishing over there. More ladies walking over there. And Effy just enjoying herself. Meowing and meowing. All right, Effy. You're doing better than I thought, girl. I really thought by now you'd jump out. Ooh, I see a dog over there. Ooh, I hear birds. You hear birds? Yeah, good job, Effy. See a dog, a cute little dog with an outfit on. How funny. Hello. See, Effy, she wears clothes just like you do. She had a little frou-frou outfit on with ruffles. Yeah, it wasn't pink though. You like pink stuff. Yeah, you're all girl. You love pink. Pink ruffles and frou-frous, yeah. There's someone walking over there. Nice little bridge over here. Pond full of ducks. Wow, Effy, I'm impressed. No, get down. Get down. She's making me nervous. Good girl. Because I have one hand on the phone and one hand on the handlebar. But I do have my helmet on, so I am protecting my noggin. But I still worry about her jumping out and then not knowing what to do if she does that. But you gotta take risks in life. That's right. Stay in your lane and learn to take some risks. Good lessons, guys, good lessons. You could come and bring your canoe and canoe here, especially if you like to see alligators. Go for it. All right. Effy, you're doing so good. So proud of you. I'm so glad I had this idea today. I actually had tons of stuff to do, but I said I am going to take a little break and play with my cat. Go on a bike ride. And what that does is create cat bonds. That's right. Mommy and cat bonds. She'll bond with her mommy, spending quality time with her. Yeah, having fun with her mommy. That's how we do it around here. Look at how pretty. Then if you could afford it, you could get a house, live right by this park. Hey, Effy. Look at that pretty lake. See any ducks? You're doing fine. Look at that pretty house. Many houses around here. What? What? Don't even think about it. Ooh, she better not jump. Oh, there's a bird. There's a bird. Effy, there's a bird. Effy, you're so cute. Really. You really are. Here's another nice bridge with a little island. Effy, you're scaring me. Don't even think about it. No. Get down. No. No. Oh, I hear the drone. She hears the drone too. No. No. Get down. Down. Thank you. Okay. Yeah. Stay down there, girl. Stay down there. Don't worry about the drone. Ooh, here, dog. Oh, this is hard to do. Hold her, hold the phone, hold the bike. No. Okay, I'm gonna stop the bike. No. See, she's scared right now. I wish I had treats. No, stay right there. It's okay. She's afraid because she's hearing the drones. All right. Effy. Effy girl. Get back in there. Get back in the basket. You're fine. No. Oh boy. Wow, she's like crawling all over me. No, Effy. Effy! Effy, stop. All right, chill, girl, chill. It's just a drone. All right, so I will sit here and calm her down a little bit. She's definitely getting more agitated. And as soon as she calms down, I'll pick up again, but we're getting closer to the sound of the drone. That is the problem. Oh, no, Effy, no. Get down. Get down. You were doing so good. All right, you lasted 10 minutes. That's all you lasted, but that's okay. So each time I bring her, we'll make it last a little longer. So I'm going to have to stop filming now because I'm going to calm her down a little bit. But this is how you train a cat to go in a basket. You have to train them to hear different sounds and see different things if you want them to go on bike rides with you. All right, Effy, could you say meow? Say meow. She's not interested right now. She wants to know what that sound is. And she's hearing dogs. Wow, what a combination of stuff. Poor Effy. Hey, you were doing great there, girl. I say I'll bring you back again another day for sure. You earned it. All right, guys, if you are enjoying watching Effy go on bike rides and Simba having so much fun with their cat mom, go ahead and subscribe. Hit the little notification bell button so that you know when I upload a cool video of my cats. Oh, and follow us on Instagram. Yes, we have stories there as well. Always original. All right. You guys have yourself a wonderful day. Say meow. Meow.